We have had wonderful results with our hair oil. In this hair oil, we have used 10 herbs, 5 extra virgin oils, 5 essential oils, and it had such wonderful results that even males with male pattern baldness, they started regrowing their hair. This was amazing for me as a doctor also, because I was taught in medical school that male pattern baldness has no treatment other than hair transplant. And in fact, this hair oil has treatment for every hair problem. Anything that you have on your hair, this oil is the solution for that. If you have dandruff, if you have thin hair, if you have low volume hair, if you have premature graying, even if you have lice in your hair, even for that, this oil is wonderful. But the thing is, many people were saying your oil is sort of out of range, it is very expensive, and we don't have all those hair problems. We just want some good oil that we can put on our hair and enjoy a wonderful healthy hair. So we developed this hair oil. This is basically made with 1 extra virgin olive oil, 1 herb that is aloe vera, and about 10 nuts and seeds, all beneficial for your hair growth and your hair structure to give you wonderful hair results after application. So let's see how to make this oil and get wonderful results. Assalamu alaikum wonderful people. Before beginning anything, I would like to point out that this hair oil that we made is dispensed in glass bottle. Can you hear it? So this is basically in glass bottle, and in fact our shampoo is also in glass bottle, and this we took care of because plastic has ingredients which are called endocrine disruptors. These endocrine hormone disruptors basically mess up with your hormones, whether you are a male or you are a female. Never in history males have had such low levels of testosterone as they are having today. And what is the cause of these low levels of testosterone? First and foremost is the plastic use, because plastic leaches toxins called endocrine disruptors or hormone disruptors into whatever thing is contained in that container. Even if it is BPA free, and even BPA free is not safe. Like BPA is substituted with BPS or BPF, and other than BPA there are other chemicals also which are very harmful, which are present in the plastic bottle. One of the biggest sources of your plastic is basically your cosmetics. The cosmetics are usually available in plastic bottles, and the thing is, once they are manufactured in the factory, that is one point of time, okay? From that point till the day they are sitting in the shelf of your shopping mall, it is like, it may be 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, I don't know how long, even 1 year. All that time, like, it is sitting in that plastic bottle. And once even you buy it from the shop and bring it to your home, now it is sitting in your bathroom shelf. You take at least 1 month to use it up all, isn't it? Like, you buy a shampoo and it sits at least 1 month in your washroom before you are completely done with it. In all that time, when the shampoo or the oil or whatever cosmetic is in the plastic container, it is leaching these endocrine hormone disruptors into your shampoo or into your oil, and it is not good for you, because your skin is an organ of absorption. It absorbs everything that you put on it. See, if you put any chemicals or any toxins, it basically does not vanish into air. It goes into your skin, into your body. And this is one of the big reasons, because these endocrine disruptors, these are basically like estrogen. And in cases of males, they give them man boobs. And in cases of females, they give them diseases like PCOS, premature ovarian failure. So anyway, having said that, I've told you this oil basically is our expensive oil, and it is very beneficial oil, and it is, I think, the star oil that we have made. And since people are saying we don't want so much power in our oil, we have made sort of a less powerful, economical oil, and this oil, I'll tell you how we made it.
If you want to know about amazing natural supplements and wonderful, tasty recipes of superfoods that will keep you away from the pills, injections, and tablets of doctors, do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it, because frankly, this is the type of information that no one else is gonna tell you anywhere else on the internet. Okay, so let's start with the ingredients. We need 1 tablespoon, that is about 15 grams of each of these ingredients. First of all are poppy seeds. Poppy seeds boost the shine by restoring the hair's hydrophilic film, offering a natural alternative to synthetic ingredients. Poppy seeds are proven for hair smoothing and softening and conditioning properties because of the high linoleic acid content of these seeds. Next are these 4 seeds. It is called char maghaz in desi stores. These are a combination of pumpkin seeds, melon seeds, as well as the cucumber seeds, watermelon and melon both. Okay, so pumpkin seeds are antibacterial because they have something called cucurbitacin. Okay, and it is an amino acid which is antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory. It also encourages hair growth. Melon and watermelon seeds are full of proteins, iron, magnesium, zinc, and copper, which are known to improve the quality of your hairs. And these seeds help in the strengthening of your hair and promote the hair growth. Cucumber seeds combat the dryness of your scalp by infusing moisture. Next are the fenugreek seeds, and they contain lecithin, which acts as a natural emollient that conditions and moisturizes your scalp and hair deeply. And next we have our kalwanji seeds, which are the black seeds. Black seeds are rich in antioxidants and have antibacterial and antifungal properties and anti-inflammatory properties, which make them one of the best ingredients for hair care. They are known to reverse hair damage, and they also help in hair regrowth. And then we will use the whole coconut because coconut helps soften and condition the hair. And the use of coconut oil helps the hair to reduce the protein loss in all hair types. It adds shine and stimulates hair growth also. It treats dry and damaged hair. Next we have our coriander seeds. Coriander seeds improve hair growth because coriander seeds can help prevent hair loss by invigorating the roots of the hair follicles. And then we will use almonds. Almonds moisturize the hair, strengthen the hair, help with the hair growth and treats dandruff. It also smooths the frizz and prevents premature graying. Lots of benefits of almonds. And lastly we will use aloe vera gel because aloe vera gel contains vitamin A, C and E. All of these 3 vitamins contribute to the cell turnover, promoting healthy cell hair growth and shiny hair. Vitamin B12 and folic acid are also contained in aloe vera. So both of these components can help your hair from falling out. And once we have collected all these ingredients, we need to add them to extra virgin mustard oil. And extra virgin mustard oil is the next best thing after extra virgin olive oil, which we have used previously for our very expensive hair oil. Anyway, mustard oil is a natural hair conditioner. It nourishes the hair. It is full of minerals, vitamins and antioxidants. It boosts the blood circulation and promotes the hair growth. It also has antifungal properties and it also prevents dandruff. So we have to add all these ingredients to our extra virgin mustard oil, and we have to cook it on a very slow flame for about 30 to 40 minutes or till our oil reduces in quantity to about like 2/3.
So this is the way we made this oil. Now let me know in the comment section below. First of all, use this oil and see how it works, and then use this oil and compare both. Tell me which one is better. Plus also tell me, is there any other hair care range or cosmetic range that is being sold solely in glass bottles? Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.